Hi, this is Steve. Welcome back to my channel, Scale Model Kit Review. I thought I'd give you all an update on my channel and also some news about Eaglemoss. First off, I have great news. I'm fully retired from my job now, so I have time to put more effort, more builds into this channel and give you more content. I have some new and exciting stuff coming up, and I'll announce those as they appear. And I plan on doing more things with you all, maybe some live feeds, some streaming videos on builds and model industry news and such like that. Now that I have time to spend on this channel, I'm going to be doing more model builds, and I think that's what you all want. The other part of this is, real quick, Eaglemoss. Eaglemoss announced that they are going to administration with their business. Now, what does that mean, and how long has Eaglemoss been out there? Eaglemoss has been out there since 1975, so it's nearly 50 years. So they're a well-established publishing company. They have a wide range of stuff that's going on now with all their figure collectors, their Starship Enterprise collectors, the part work kits, and so forth. So what does administrative mean? I'm not going to explain it here, but I'll put a link below, and you can go to that link and it will explain how does administrative turnover of a company compare to the U.S. standard, which is essentially Chapter 11. I'm not going to get into that, but my heartfelt feelings go out to everybody who's been building these kits. You may be 1/4 away in building one of the cars or the Enterprise D, and you're not getting any more parts. I'm in the same boat. I haven't my last parts I received was last month for the Eleanor, and I've been very patient throughout this whole process because I figure when I don't receive parts, that gives me more time on the bench to build models. So I feel bad for everybody who's not getting their parts right now, and I feel you just need to be patient about it. Let this play out. They're not gone yet. They're not gone at all. They're still there. They're just shut down because of what's going on with them. If you're angry, I fully understand. But anyway, I just want to make an announcement that I'm going to be publishing videos for the Eaglemoss kits that I've been building because I have the parts on hand. I have not actively been receiving any parts. Like I said, I have received my last parts last month, which was in March, about the middle of March. And so you're going to see me uploading videos for the GTR, which I have all the parts for that. You're going to see me uploading videos for the DeLorean, the Ecto-1, the Jeep, the Eleanor, and so please, be calm and understand that I have all these parts are on hand, and I'm uploading those as I build them. I have boxes that, well, it's easier for me to build all those up, and it frees up the storage space that I need. So understand that I'm going to be publishing these, and it means nothing about whether or not I'm currently receiving those issues, because I'm not. Well, anyway, I also feel bad for the employees, the customer service folks I've been dealing with Eaglemoss. I'm not going to mention any names, but they've been very helpful, and they've always been responsive to my needs. And I'm staying optimistic here that they're just going to reorganize and they'll be back. So with that, happy modeling everybody, and take care.